when I, made my decision of picking the right company, in this case, you guys.
You don't have to be nice to us in this part of it.
Yeah.
You started working with us, and we were doing a simpler plan.
We were hoping for $1 million on sales. Mm-hmm. When the previous year we probably did like 850.
Okay.
And it happened. We did 1.1. When we see that, we go more aggressive into the marketing because it's working.
You got way more aggressive.
Yes. So then, even the coaches or the advisors on the business, they say, you only gonna grow, like on the industry average, you only gonna grow 5 or 10%, and that is pushing in the industry, advising me about the percentage that I should be spending on marketing and all that.
So your accountants told you your marketing budget should be a certain percentage of revenue.
Yes.
And what was that percentage?
It was 8%.
8% of revenue.
8%.
What percent did we come in at?
Half of that. We had
4%.
4% on the spending.
4%.
Yeah. And I told them, no, I want to grow 40%. But they say, no, you're crazy. You're not going to do that. I mean, you can do it in 3 or 5 years, but you're not going to do it from 1 year to the other. But we set the goals, we set the numbers, and we set the marketing. And so far it's on track. It should be at 1.4, 1.5 million.
Right. So almost 50%.
It's almost 50%. So when I say 40% as today, it's already rich. So we are there. We are maintaining.
Uh-huh.
And they can't even believe it.